Welcome back, traders. I'm very happy right now, and then I want to use this video to appreciate all my subscribers and also people watching my video. And before I end this video, I'm going to give like a partial giveaway to you guys so you guys can benefit from my trading strategy. I got monetized 2 days ago on my YouTube page. Creating a trading video on my YouTube page for the past 2 years, and right now I'm monetized. So I'm very happy, not just because I got monetized, just because of the consistencies. And then I remember when I started forex trading, my journey and everything, and then I'm really happy right now how far I've been. So I want to share my trading story with you guys so you guys can understand and then a little bit about my story. So I was trading cryptocurrency before I heard about forex trading. One person introduced me to forex trading, and then he asked me to pay for a signal, which I paid him, and then he asked me to deposit. Let me just show you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about.
So you can see right here, this March 14, 2022. I said, hello boss, this is Majesty. Said, yes, I've added you to the group. Okay, saying thank you. So you're welcome. So this is where he told me that I should deposit into my account. Any pay I say buy or say, you should sell it with a lot size of 0.02. I don't know the meaning of 0.2 lot size. I don't know the meaning of lot size back then. So I still have like $300 there. So he said you can start trading, bro. So in the group, they gave a signal that you should enter Euro JPY. Can you see Euro JPY right here? So you should say, instead of me using 0.02, I end up using one lot size. Can you see one starter lot size? Then he said, guys, Jesus Christ, close that trade. Oh, I don't know how to close trade back then because I was still new to forex trading. So how can I close the market? He said, wait a bit, and then actually the loss increased from 22 loss, then it increased to like $68 loss. So the loss later increased like $91. Can you see right here? So this $91. Then he have to like to send his own personal trade to me. Okay, this is all his own trade, and then it's using his 0.02 loss size. So I don't know the meaning of his 0.02 loss size. I don't know the meaning of loss size back then. So he said, I asked him, I cannot close it, bro. Then he sent me a voice record and also share a screen with me on how to close the market, of which I was able to like to close it. It closed with it's a $9 loss. He said, I'm really angry right now, bro. Like, look at my own pay for what? Like, it's my own money. Why are you angry? He said, for you losing $89 in this morning. At the end of the day, I ended up blowing the account by myself because I really understand the market. I wanted to make the money I lost back. So this is how I started forex trading. It wasn't easy for me, so I have to pay attention to learning so I can understand all these small things. Imagine that I didn't even know the meaning of lot size. That's so funny. So that's just for that. So after that, I said anything that can take $300 for me so quick, I also give him like $300 so quick. So I said, I'm going to learn forex trading. So I met a guy, I paid for his mentorship, and then he taught me within 2 days. He taught me support and resistance just like a retail trader. Man, that is one of the crazy strategy I've ever learned. I think it's not even up to a month that I started that trading strategy because I was losing, just like you drawing line from any angle. I don't see any logic behind it personally, because I can draw any line from any angle, calling it my support or calling it my resistance line. And then some people are still trading right now and they're profitable, but for me it's very difficult. I remember back then my chart always looked like a web, like me drawing line from any single angle. So I said, no, this is not what I want, because after I learned this trade strategy, I deposited money into my trading accounts again, and then I lost all the money. I said, this is not what I want. So I started watching YouTube video, and then I came across a guy on YouTube, which is TrackFS. Shout out to TrackFS right now. So TrackFS really teach a lot of things, and that was also like ICT Student. So after some time watching TrackFS video on YouTube, one of my friends said, oh, I'm ready to trade. I said, yes, I'm trading right now. And then he said, I should learn from one of the best, which is ICT. He was also ICT Student. Then I joined ICT Mentorship. Shout out to ICT. ICT is one of the crazy mentors. I really love ICT. That man is very good. Like, I'm not going to lie. So ICT teach me a lot of things. I learned a lot of things from ICT, like order block, PDRA, Turtle Soup, ICT Breakout, and then Liquidity Void. So I learned a lot of things from ICT, like seriously, I'm not going to lie. And then I was reading ICT content. I was making a little profit sometimes, I think some loss. And then one of the two problems I have about it is also the same problem I see that a lot of ICT traders are having right now. The first problem is just like we try to trade every single strategy that we learn from ICT.
For example, I can be on my chart right now. I'll see ICT breaker or see a other block going down to lower time frame. I'll be seeing fair value gap or seeing liquidity void, total soup, and all those kind of stuff. Then I was trying to trade every single thing. So that leads to over trading, and then that leads to me losing trade. You understand? So it's not really good for you to trade every single thing you learn from ICT. If this is your ICT student, that's one of the problem. And then the other problem I see, just like I'm always trading multiple currency pair. As a forex trader right now, I learned that you don't need multiple currency pair to be successful as a forex trader. You just need only one or two currency pair to be successful. Once you are trading only one currency pair, you master that particular currency pair, you'll be familiar with it, and then you understand the market much better. The problem I was having back then, just like, for example, trading a break or social, because I actually taught us in break or social, I will go across many currency pairs, just like looking for a break or social and then enter into the market. So that leads to over trading for me, and then that leads to me losing account. So I wasn't that really profitable when I was trading ICT. After some time, I said to myself that I'm not going to be trading all the strategy that I learned from ICT, that I'm only going to be trading only one. So the one that I chose back then was order block. So I was trading order block. I was profitable, like me seeing a trade 1:5, 1:3, 1:2. Because ICT advised us that the smallest ratio you can take in the market should be 1:2. You should all go for 1:1. At least 1:2, 1:3. So back then, my highest ratio is just like 1:5, but right now my smallest ratio is 1:10. Imagine that. So that is crazy. So after trading ICT for some time, I remember I was on profits, making little profit, and then taking some loss, because there's not any strategy that is 100% perfect. Then I remember one day that I took some loss. That loss was very good because that is all I have, you understand? Because I risk all. Then after taking that particular loss, I said I must get this thing right. Then I started to study the market by myself, only trying to figure out the real order block in the market, the one that price respect, and then the one that price to respect. It took me some more to discover my own trading strategy by myself. There are some days that I will be indoor for like 3 days without even seeing the sun, just be indoor looking at the market. And then what really helped me was I studied 1 minute time frame. I learned that from my mentor, which is ICT. ICT always trade on lower time frame. I remember there's a day that he was training us, and then he saw a setup, and then he entered into the market, just three position. It made like $21,000, man. So pleased. I was very happy that if ICT can do this, I'll also be able to do this. I started from 1 minute time frame. I'm not going to lie, I really learned a lot of things from 1 minute time frame. You can see some of my video, I'll say, oh, the next candle I'm expecting to form in the market is a bullish candle or a bearish candle. That comes from my experience in trading or from my experience in learning. After some time, I discovered a lot of things from the market. I'm not going to lie. And then I discovered my own personal trade that I'm using right now. But it's not every single thing that I discover in the market that I'm now sharing to people, because it's not every single thing that is useful, you understand? But just have to know them. There are some things that I know in the market right now. Sometimes I don't even make use of them. Sometimes this what happened, this what happened, this what happened. So after discovering my trade strategy, I remember the first person I thought was my friend that introduced me to ICT, you understand? So let me show you guys what he said.
So this one my friend told me immediately I taught him my trade strategy, the one I discovered by myself. He said, okay bro, SLT is crazy, even far better than ICT. Imagine that, far better than ICT. Don't forget, this my friend right here is also ICT student, and then it was the one that introduced me to ICT. It can even explain what ICT module can't even compare. You are the best, bro. Bro, this SLT is just too perfect. Still can't believe you single-handed discovered this. So he was very happy that I discovered this, and then I was able to teach him every single thing, and then he was able to to backtest the trade. I think he backtested it on USD GPY. I don't even know, but I told him to backtest on many currency pairs to see how it's working on other stuff, so I can hear his own feedback. So let me just play the voice note he sent to me, so you guys can listen to what he said about the trade strategy that I discovered. Okay.
Check UJ those perfect SLT, crazy SLT. You know, say the good now. You see someone, so you say ICT explain many stuff when you say ICT explain for UJ. What they say, you see some place for UJ where we say you come, break structure. Break structure, normal structure for ICT or for normal retail. You come down, then it still go up. I shake SLT guy, this thing will go up. You no go break major structure. You go break one small low. We're responsible for breaking one other confirmed low. Then go down. You go up. That means that may high just useless. If you see one high I started look. I don't know if you say, this is not even disprove. I need to send that to you.
Okay, let me play the second one.
This is the first picture I sent you now. This with 1 week charts. For this 1 week chart, that place where I put live for down. That place are very legit low. Market breakdown. Now very legit low. Say SLT low. So if you could go for 1 day, that low useless. For 1 week, of the first picture, the low is very useful. That low, one as market breaker, it did very risky. But if you go 1 day, that low is the most useless low in the world. That's why you see when markets come break that low, markets can go up. Markets can later go take out the liquidity of that low. So normally now we supposed say I will take this up. Why market go take out the liquidities? Because we don't talk first to say if market break a particular low, if you break that current low, you understand, just like that. So and it break up. So you cause say the high of that low, the high of the low for the left hand side, not actually reach anywhere. It come down before it could go up. So now that second low, when you talk picture, now that second low now in legit. So the high will break, the high will responsible for breaking that low. You will see as market come there, market no even break them. Market no break and come down. If you can look at where you go see one low will break them. Now if market break, if market go take do because this thing crazy, like it was crazy, very crazy. This thing I see no fear explain them. No, I see no fear explain them. Written no fear explain them. No, nothing like this one. I don't know because if percent for ICT now you go draw pattern. As you draw pattern, you go draw your high. But this one, this SLT one high will not make sense when person even see. Now be responsible for break or social. Now be the main something. It's very incredible. It's very, very, very crazy. Very crazy.
This is so crazy, guys. This is so crazy. And then I'm really happy that I discovered this particular trading strategy by myself. And then I've even trained a lot of people right now that they are also profitable. That is my greatest joy. You can see some of my previous video right now. I'm just talking about my student trade. I'm not really talking about my own personal trade anymore. Just like talking about the trade that my students saw in the market, and then how they able to enter it, and then how they able to make profit. This is so crazy. You can see what it said right there. PDRA is scam. Can you see? PDRA is scam. Not like discounts and premium, because ICT teaches PDRA. ICT teaches discounts are premium. Like you always enter into the market from a discount level or from a premium level. So he said all these things are scam. Let me show you something. I think he sent me something also before this. Okay, yeah, he said, can you see? May God Almighty bless you, bro. This LCT is really strong, and I understand the market way better than before. Thank bro. Wow, you are the best, bro. This is not the reason price is going down. The BMS is useless. BMS means break in market structure, but right now it's being called break of structure. But ICT name is break in market structure. So BMS now is our BOS, which is break of structure. It's useless, very LOL. This is when he sent me all this in. And then if you can check the date, this is November 19, 2023. The first one I read here, it was the following day, November 19. Can you see? November 19, 2023. This was our last year November. So I think, I don't even know when I taught him, probably November 15, I don't even remember. But these are November 18, can you see? November 18, 2023. And then this one is November 19, 2023. Can you see? So that is just for that. After I taught him my trade strategy, share my screen with him, and then I told him to do bad testing. That is why you can see him saying all those stuff. That was November. Imagine that November last year. My trade strategy is very crazy right now. So that is the name of my strategy, LT. I want to mention this on my YouTube page before, because I want my trade strategy to be very, very simple so that people can understand it very well. For example, sometimes I always say a reorder block. A reorder block, the name I gave to it is a funded block. So there's a reason why I gave it a funded block. So you can see me calling some opposite candle high in the market. The reason why I'm calling them high, just like I want my trade strategy to be very, very simple, and then very, very easy for people to understand. Those high are just like a level, you understand? They are a level, but I end up calling it high. Like for example, seeing an opposite candle in one particular range, I'll say, okay, this is a high price, end up breaking this particular high, and also this side. Those high are labeled. Just because I want my trade strategy to be very simple, that is why I just make it very simple, using some simple word that people are already used with, not something that is being new, you understand? And then I've already trained a lot of students right now, and then they are successful. I'm really, really happy. So for the partial giveaway that I want to use to support all forex trader,
just like for my mentorship program, I'm running like a 50% discount across all. For example, my private mentorship is just like $300, but right now you can pay for $150 within 2 weeks. It's just like 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, the price return back to $300. And then for my group mentorship, which is $150. So right now you can pay $75 for my group mentorship. That is 50% discount. So I think this one is going to really help you guys to understand my trading strategy very well and then to be profitable. One thing that you're going to learn that's going to be very amazing. I haven't seen anybody creating a video like this. Like how to increase your risk to ratio. I always talk about that. The smallest ratio I can take in the market is 1:10. Imagine that. You risk 1% of your account and then you're making 10% in return. So imagine you risking 5%, you making 50% in return. That is crazy. I was simply trying to discover this one shot and then I've trained a lot of people. You can see some of my past video. Right now I'm just talking about my student. I'm not really like showing my own personal trading. I'm talking about my student. There's a particular week I record my trading for the whole week and then I was able to make 90% in return for that particular week. So you can just watch those videos and then understand a little bit about my trading strategy. You can see right now I'm just creating video about what my students are doing, not seeing my own personal trading because I'm really happy seeing them be successful. There's one of my students that got a problem last month. That was the first step of getting a problem and then it was able to pass the phase 1 within one single trade and also phase 2 with only one single trade and then it's funded right now doing fine. We're going to learn a lot of things from my mentorship, like seriously, I'm not going to lie about it because what I discovered, I know that a lot of people want it. It's not really that easy for me to be training you guys, especially for my private mentorship. In a single day, I just have like 12 hours, let's assume from 6 to 6 p.m. So I have like 12 hours, me dedicating 2 hours, 1.5 hours, just like to train only one single person. So there's a limit to numbers of people that I can train. So if you want to join my private mentorship right now, join on time for just $150. So and then if you want to join my group mentorship, you can join right now. So you're going to learn a lot of things from my trading strategy. So if you want to join for the mentorship, I'm going to drop the link in the description. So make sure you check out the link in the description to join. So for the private one, it's going to be there. Make sure you use that link. And then for the group one, it's going to be there. Make sure you use that particular link if you're joining for the group. So that's just for that. So this is just like a little story about my current trading journey. So my trading strategy is very, very simple and very, very easy to understand. So if you want to join, check out the link in the description so you can join right now. So if you find this video interesting, I really appreciate if you guys can leave a like and then subscribe to this channel if you're watching this video for the first time. So I'll really be happy. So right now I'm saying thank you to all my subscribers. I'm really, really happy. You made this journey very easy for me on getting monetized on my YouTube page. And also people watching my video, I'm really, really happy. I'm really grateful. Thank you so much for doing this for me. See you in my next video. And then if you want to watch how I make 90% of my accounts within a single week, so you can watch this particular video right now so you can continue watching. See you for this particular video right now.